Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your Google background. So there's actually two ways you guys can do this. It's either you choose a image from your device or you choose a theme. So I'll explain to you guys what's the difference. So if you choose an image, it's actually, if you guys can see from this line right here, this will be replaced if you guys choose an image. But if you guys choose a theme, it'll be the whole thing. It'll be the image and also the top part right here. As you guys can see, this is a part of the theme. So I'm going to show you guys how to change the image first. So first up, what you guys want to do is you guys want to go to the bottom right corner. You guys can see a pencil right here. So you're going to click this and you're going to click upload from device, and you guys can choose whichever one you guys want. This may not be the same, of course. You guys maybe have a different image you guys have in mind. Go ahead, select it and hit open. It should automatically come here and you guys are going to hit done. You guys can also choose a color and theme, which means you choose a different color from here from your standard Google background. And as you guys can see, I have a racing theme currently. So the second way is you guys choose a theme. So I'm going to show you guys how to choose a theme. You're going to go to your Google and you're going to type Google theme. So this one right here, you guys are going to click this. It's basically the Chrome web store. So click this. Make sure you guys are on themes right here on your left. You guys in theme, and there's a lot of themes you guys can choose from. So go ahead, choose one, whichever one you guys like. If you guys wanted to choose the image, then you're done. You're good to go. So there's a lot of themes you guys can choose. These are much more simpler ones, and then there's a lot of themes you guys can choose from. Okay, give it some time to load because these themes are pretty heavy sometimes. Okay, you guys don't know I like cars, so I'm obviously gonna go choose something with cars. But you guys can choose anything you want. It's all the same if you're using this website. Which one shall I go for? Hmm, let's go for the Dodge Demon, dude. I mean, Challenger, what is it even? Okay, so most of it should be the same. So all you guys have to do is click add to Chrome right here. Click add to Chrome. Give it some time. It should restore it. And there you guys go. Your background has been changed. So now you currently have this theme selected. You can always change this. Anyways, that's the end of today's video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to drop a like and hit the subscribe button. And if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. Or if you guys want any other tutorials, don't forget to let me know in the comments. I'll do it as another video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.